Why scaling and replanning is very important? And have you experienced bleeding on your gum while brushing your teeth? And how to treat it right? It is caused by calculus. Scaling and replanning is a deep cleaning below the gumline used to treat gum disease. Calculus is sometimes considered as an unimportant matter, even though this condition can be very dangerous if not treated properly. It can cause serious problems such as triggers for heart disease, strokes, tooth cavity, and breeding problem for bacteria. And make sure to do scaling and replanning at least twice a year.